Y'all, we hopping right into things today because your girl forgot to record an intro. So as you can see, today I'm going to be trying out for the first time Shea Moisture's brand new, I was gonna say brand new, but it's not brand new at this point, Bond Repair line. The bottle reads, gently cleanse dry processed strands with Bond Repair shampoo. Part of our 4-step system powered by Shea Moisture Hydroplex Infusion for 84% less breakage and 6 times stronger hair. Our shampoo blended with amla oil, fair trade shea butter, and our unique amino blend helps repair signs of damage, specifically in curly, coily hair. Transform your damaged, brittle hair with this shampoo to reveal shiny, renewed curls with 60% more moisture. What I really liked about this shampoo was that a little went a long way. You can see all of the suds. I shampooed my hair so good that I only needed to shampoo once, but I will say it was a little difficult to get all of the shampoo out of my hair. Just wanted to note that. And also, there's none of the bonding technology in this cleanser. It is just a part of the 4-step process. But on rinse out, my hair felt moisturized, my hair had a shine to it, and overall I can't complain. Pretty good, Shea Moisture. Next up, I went in with their Bond Repair mask. It says, nourish and visibly repair dry processed strands with Bond Repair mask, part of our 4-step system powered by Shea Moisture's Hydroplex Infusion, 84% less breakage and 6 times stronger hair. Our mask blended with amla oil, fair trade shea butter, and our unique amino blend helps repair signs of damage, specifically in curly, coily hair. Transform your damaged, brittle hair with this mask to reveal shiny, renewed curls with 13 times ultra moisture. Now this mask glided onto my hair, soaked into my strands, and was like doing a really great job of curl definition. I could finger detangle with this mask, which was crazy to me because I hadn't even let it sit, and you can just see how I'm gliding through my ends. And it's time for a trim. Now the mask does contain the Hydroplex, which is hydroxypropylgluconamide and hydroxypropylammonium. Those 2 ingredients make up the Hydroplex. But what stood out to me the most was that it was towards the bottom of the ingredient list, like the last 5 of the ingredients. So I did let the mask sit for 5 to 10 minutes. I didn't feel like it was necessary to add heat because it had already melted into my strands, and it was pretty simple to rinse out. And on rinse out, my hair felt balanced, it felt moisturized, my coils looked really good, they felt really soft and happy. Next, I went in with the Bond Repair leave-in conditioner, which basically has the same claims as the mask, except you leave it in your hair. It also contains the Hydroplex and is also very low on the ingredient list. But I think the whole point of this line is to use all 4 products, the cleanser, the regular conditioner, the mask, and the leave-in conditioner, so that you are building the bonds on top of each other and that you're getting it at each step. But I opted not to buy the regular conditioner because that just felt like an extra step that I didn't need. And also, if you have finer or like less dense hair than I do, you could probably use this leave-in just as a styler, but this was just prep for me to actually style my hair. Okay, it's a couple days later. I let my hair air dry. That's something that I normally don't do. And even though I used the foam, it still took my hair incredibly too long to dry. This is day 1. And if you are familiar with me and my channel, you know I don't really like my braid outs on day 1. So this is day 1. I used the bonding oil to take my hair down. I don't think there's any like bonding type things in here. It's just a hair oil. I do like the scent of it. It's really like not that greasy, and it did its job as far as taking my hair down. I like the sheen of my hair. I'm not gonna end this video here. I just wanted to check in and show y'all my hair on day 1. I'm gonna sleep on it tonight and run some errands tomorrow, and hopefully it'll be more to my liking. And I'll wrap this video up and let you guys know how I feel about each product, would I recommend them, and all of that good stuff. But before we get to that, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and do so. If you really enjoyed this video, make sure you share it with someone else that you think might find this video useful, or my channel in general. It really helps me out. It's helping me grow. I appreciate all that. But for me, I will see you tomorrow. For you, it'll probably be after this ad. Okay, I had to shake my hair before I stretched it because I could have potentially ruined it, but this is what I look like before and this is what I look like now. You can't really tell the difference, so I should stop trying to stretch my hair. Anyways, let me tell you about these products individually so I can finally wrap this video up. It has been, what, 3 or 4 days since I did my hair. I haven't wrapped it up, I haven't rebraided it. It's quite frizzy underneath, so I do want to put that disclaimer out there. So the Bond Repair shampoo, it says restorative hydroplex infusion, but I don't really know what the hydroplex infusion is, or what about this is like a bond repair. But by the ingredients, I could say that it's probably like a little more strengthening. My hair didn't feel hard at all, so I feel like it was a decent shampoo. Like my hair felt clean, felt moisturized, it didn't feel stripped. Next, the Bond Repair mask I really liked. I like that it was a mask because that typically works better on my hair. I do wish that the bonding properties were a little higher, but because it has all the oils and like butters higher up on the ingredient list, it did make my hair feel more moisturized versus feeling strengthened. So I mean, for the price, I would work with it. And like I said, like I liked it. I liked the way my hair felt. I could detangle with it. It was overall like a good mask. The Bond Repair leave-in conditioner, I kind of feel the same about. I do like that it has the Bond Repair ingredients in it. Do wish they were a little bit higher, but I do like the oils and butters are above it because it makes your hair feel moisturized. I liked it as a leave-in conditioner. It paired really well with my foam that I used to do this braid out. My hair doesn't feel dry. It feels fine. So these two products I definitely really liked. And then I also purchased the bonding oil, which doesn't have any bonding properties to it. It just has like grapeseed oil and those type things. I'm not really big on oils. I don't know why I purchased it. It did a great job of taking my hair down without causing any frizz because I installed these braids really quick. I did not take my time, so it did its job. It didn't leave my hands feeling super greasy, and I like the scent, so I'm not gonna complain about it. Overall, I think for the price of these products and the fact that you can like run out and buy them, I do think that they are good products. I think it's a great introduction into bond repair if you can't afford K18 and Olaplex and whatnot. And I really do think it's a great option if you are someone that like doesn't do anything strenuous to your strands. Like I use heat, I bleach my hair. But if you are like a kinky coily girl that like I said, doesn't like over manipulate your hair and you just want to maintain your hair's health, I think it would be a great addition. Like you can't go wrong by adding these into your hair care routine, in my opinion. Super grand results from bond repair and like one use. I didn't see it, but I don't think my hair is that damaged where I would have seen it. But I think continual use over time, I think would definitely help in someone's hair care journey. So that is all for me. Y'all know I don't really use Shea Moisture products, but I am pleasantly surprised with my results. Comment down below and let me know what you think of these products. Like I said, they came out like a while ago. I'm a little late to the party, but yeah, leave your thoughts down below in the comments. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys really soon.